In today's video, I'm going to show you how to limit the number of cards per day in Trello using a simple built-in feature that helps you stay focused and avoid overload. If you manage tasks daily and want to prevent piling up too much work in one list, this method is exactly what you need. We'll be using Trello's native List Limits Power-Up to automatically highlight a list when it exceeds a set number of cards. If this video helps you stay organized, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where you want to limit the number of cards per day. This works great for boards where you have a list like Today, In Progress, or Daily Tasks. The idea is to control how many cards can sit in that list at once, so you or your team don't take on more work than planned. Once you're inside your board, look at the top right corner and click on the Power-Ups button. Power-Ups are Trello's built-in extensions that add extra functionality to your board. In the Power-Up search bar, type List Limits. You'll see the official List Limits Power-Up appear in the results. Click Add to enable it on your board. After enabling it, close the Power-Ups window. Now go to the specific list where you want to set a daily card limit. Click on the three dots at the top right of that list to open the list menu. In the drop-down options, you'll now see Set Limit, thanks to the Power-Up we just enabled. Click on Set Limit. A small window will appear asking you to enter the maximum number of cards allowed in that list. For example, if you only want to handle 5 tasks per day, enter 5, then confirm the limit. That's it. Now, whenever the number of cards in that list exceeds your chosen limit, the list header will turn yellow. This visual warning makes it immediately obvious that you've gone over your daily capacity. It doesn't block new cards from being added, but it gives you and your team a clear signal that the workload needs attention. This is especially useful for teams using Trello for workflow management, agile boards, or kanban systems. Limiting work in progress helps improve focus, reduce multitasking, and increase productivity. You can repeat the same process for multiple lists if you want different limits for different stages, like limiting your in-progress list to 3 tasks while allowing 10 in a backlog list. If you ever want to change the limit, simply click the 3 dots on the list again, choose Set Limit, and adjust the number. And if you no longer want a limit, you can remove it from the same menu. Using list limits is one of the easiest ways to control daily workload in Trello without needing any complicated automation or third-party tools. It's simple, visual, and built right into the platform. And that's how you limit the number of cards per day in Trello using the List Limits Power-Up. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, workflow strategies, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.